Nice. Yes. Hey my loves, today I wanted to share with you guys how I take a selfie. It is a pretty intense process for me. Like, I'm very particular about setting things up. When I'm taking my makeup selfies, I really like to have a plain background. These cuttings are great because they have texture, like it's not just plain blank background. So it has like this ruffled textures, or what's this, gathered textures. Yeah, I love that in the picture. It makes it look, I don't know, it gives it, I don't know. And then my ring light is high up above me, and then I have this reflector right here to bounce the light. And I also have, I'm using my back camera. I don't like to use the front selfie camera because it doesn't have enough quality for the picture. So I use my back camera, and I have a mirror in front of me. So that's the process. That's how I take my selfies. I do take more than 100 pictures before I get tired and I feel like, okay, I might have a photo. So I might actually take 100 pictures or over 100 pictures and end up with one. It's the hustle, it's how I walk. Alright, so that's how I take a selfie. I'm just going to do it now. So you always want to make sure that you tap the screen for focus. And you want to take it from different angles, okay? You want to take so many different angles. You have to make sure that you know your face. You want to take it from the top, from the bottom. So if I'm going to show my fingers, I usually like to have rings on my fingers. It kind of just brings a little to the photos. Which is why I have my rings right here. And I'm just going to check if I have a photo, and if I don't, I will, ooh, I just got one. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, it's our walk. Now these are all the photos that I ended up taking. Not up to 100 today, but let's see what we can find, if we have anything that is good. At first I was right in front of that closet and trying to take a picture right there. This is some really beautiful selfies. And then this is when I went over to the curtains just to see what was available in front of the curtains. So you kind of have to try different locations for your selfies. Now this is in front of the curtains, and of course I do prefer the one in front of the curtains because we don't have much distraction around the photo like we have in this one. So this one's on the plain background, is really nice, and that's that effect I was telling you about, the cuttings. You see that ruffle effect on the side? Really pretty. That's a really beautiful selfie, Eva. Well done, well done, well done. All right, that's about it. So I'm going to show you guys how I edit my selfies. If you want to see that, please check the link in the description below. I love you guys. Alright babes, that's how I take my selfies. This is actually the exact process, no kidding. I always do this every single time. If I'm not using my ring light, like if I'm not indoors and I'm using natural light, it's the same process. I always have a mirror with me. That's it, you guys. I enjoyed making this video for you. Let me know in the comments below if you like to see my editing process. Usually I don't like editing on my Samsung, so I transfer the photos from here to my iPhone and I edit on my iPhone. If you want to see that process, let me know. I'll probably make a video for you guys to show you how I edit my selfies for Instagram and whatever it is that we edit selfies for. Yeah. And what else? Let me know what other kind of videos you like for me to do for you guys. Leave a comment down below for me. Also, if you haven't checked out my free course for you guys, how to shoot your makeup videos on your phone, whether you have a ring light or not, as long as you have a phone, you can shoot your makeup videos. I pretty much go intense with the course for you. It's free. Check it out in the link in the description below. I show you guys how to take videos with your phone, how to edit on your phone, how to take your pictures, edit your pictures, all that fancy shit. So if you want to check it out, please check the link in the description for that free course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share with us your selfie taking process. Do you take as many pictures as I do? Are you that extra? Let us know in the comments below. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you. Bye.